Morning.
Morning.
So we always say that Sunday's going to be our reset day. I actually need to be productive today. So we're going to see if we can reset and be productive on the same day.
We're going to try. Yes, we're going to try. Hopefully we can.
Yeah. But first, John's going to walk Louis.
I am, yes.
And then we've got breakfast.
We have, yeah.
But before we get into the vlog, I just want to tell you a little bit about Wild. So Wild has kindly gifted us some deodorant and some body wash. I actually have been using Wild since December, and I love it because sometimes when you use deodorant, the spray ones, I get eczema and also it makes me feel a little bit claggy, but these are all natural. And roll-ons before, I've always thought are a little bit sticky, but this one uses shea butter, so it goes on nice and smooth. You just replace the inside with new scents, so you get to keep the case forever, essentially. And that's the same for all the products. And they've just brought out a new antiperspirant. So this is a deodorant. They brought out an antiperspirant as well. And they've kindly given us a 20% off discount code. So if you use this code, you'll get 20% off the Wild website, anything that you buy, even if it's just your refills, and all the links in the description as well. So we just wanted to share that code with you, and yeah, let you know that we're loving using Wild, and let us know if you use Wild and what you think of it, because I've been really enjoying it. The scent I've liked most is the cotton and sea salt. Okay, breakfast was...
It was okay.
Yeah. So today, on this reset day, the day of all reset, I've got a couple of videos to edit.
Yes.
I also wanted to see if I could get some shorts scheduled.
Hopefully,
But we also don't want to be in the house because we want to, before work.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to take Louis to go for a run around.
Yeah, I mean, it's dry at the moment. I'm not sure how long it will stay dry. So if we can get out for an hour... Then I run about before it rains. That's pretty perfect. Yeah. And then we can work and edit and that this afternoon.
I'm hoping while Louis is having a run around, I might be able to get a couple of shorts done.
Maybe. Yeah, that'd be good.
Because then that would make me feel a bit more like I've done something.
Yeah.
There's just so many things to do and not enough time. There is.
We just quickly, we got back. We just quickly went through, at some point at his computer, we quickly went over our spreadsheet.
It is a spreadsheet.
Well, calendar kind of thing of all the video ideas that's coming up, and just went through that. And yeah, it's
We're
a lot.
Very busy bees.
It's a lot to get my head around when we're doing what and when we're filming what.
That's the problem, because we only have the weekends.
Yeah.
So I've put in okay, this weekend we're gonna go do this.
Yeah.
This weekend we're gonna go do that.
Yeah.
And then it just looks
it's
like
a lot. Yeah, you think, well, okay, when we're doing that weekend, but we're filming it then, it's coming out then.
Yeah.
But once I got my head around that, it's okay.
Yeah. But I don't know how much running Louis will want to do, because he had a couple of big days out recently, and yesterday he was very snoozy.
He was.
But we'll give him the opportunity to play with his frisbee anyway.
Absolutely, he loves that. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, give him a bit of time, an hour or so, have a run around, burn off some G's.
Yeah.
And then come back and do some work, I think.
That
do
was,
some edit and that.
For those of you that heard John say G's then, that was energies. That's what we call him in our house.
Is that just off?
Let's go. Pick the perfect weather to go do this, John.
Yeah, it wasn't raining. Yeah.
Might be a very quick one.
It might be. You even want to be out in the rain.
He actually does want to be out in the rain.
Hopefully it's just a shower.
John was just saying we're trying to keep him on the concrete because it's all muddy.
When it's dry in the summer we can have that.
Yeah.
Good boy. Come on.
Louis don't care anyway, as long as he's got his frisbee, he's happy, innit? really hoping that we can get everything done today that we need to, so that's the challenge for the day. I suppose the most important is the 2 videos, and then I would hope to do the shorts, but we'll see. And then I want to do a couple of TikToks that need to go out as well, and also this.
We've got some emails to do as
well. Got some emails to reply to. I did comments this morning, so that's all done.
Yep.
That was quite a lot.
I don't think it'd be here.
I was going to suggest, I know he's chucking it down. I was going to suggest doing a live today, but I don't think we'll get to it.
No, we might do. Maybe, hopefully. We need to do one for our members. We did say that a while ago and got round to it.
I'd like to do a general one as well.
Yeah,
so.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've got a lot to do. I don't think we're going to be here long. It's raining. So hopefully we'll get it all done.
Louis does not care about the rain. Louis gone rogue. He doesn't care about this anymore. What he's doing is he wants to go in the pond. So he's running down there, waiting for us to shout at him and then coming back. But
He loves it.
yeah, I don't know how long we've got before he does it. Are you being cheeky?
He's having a great time.
Yeah, but he's being so naughty. Come here, what's this? Look, he does not care. Oh, he's definitely up to something. Look. It's truly miserable. It's so rainy. Louis is enjoying it, but I'm not. He's playing frisbee again now. He's stopped trying to wind us up.
It's not warm.
No, it's not warm. Monster. We'll have to let him swim in the summer. Yeah. Louis wants John to chase him so bad. He keeps taking the frisbee over there, and then John will go over there, and then Louis legs it. Ready. Oh, psych. The trouble is there's a pond down there, and there's a pond down there, and Louis could be in. Oh, there he is. John's gonna bath Louis in a never seen before. God, only one of them's gonna come back, and I doubt it's John. He's got all of his legs stuck out head straight. Oh, he knows. Good luck. Goodbye. I'm just editing. Both of them made it out of the bathroom, but there was a lot of banging going on.
He was really good, actually. He was really good.
Well, you can do it every time then.
Right, for my coffee after the week.
How do you pick which ones are going in the jar? Because you've got more than that, though, haven't you?
I only ordered some more, but yeah, I've got enough for the week. Leave it on.
One of them smells like toast.
Toast. That's my double espresso, yeah. The Starbucks one's really nice.
You're going to get more Starbucks ones?
Yeah, yeah, next week. Got a subscription, so it's automatically will come. What's that? Normal one. Got a couple of espressos. So espresso.
Surely that's more than a week's worth.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. The blue one's pretty.
That's the espresso ones.
Okay. Why are those two not going in?
That's one now.
Okay.
And that one probably can fit in.
Oh, maybe not.
Yeah. I did. Got a couple of that.
Okay.
So yeah, got a couple more. So we do a never order.
That's all you've got left?
I think so.
Right, I'm just editing. I've just finished doing the first video that we need to get done today.
Nice.
I'm doing the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail currently. And getting it uploaded, and then I can start the next one.
Nice.
I'm hoping we get it all done, but
I think we will. We're still fairly early.
Yeah. John has his Zoom in 2.5 hours.
I'm not too worried if I'm not on that, if I'm honest.
You have to. Sunday tradition.
We've got a Sunday roast to have. And what cakes to have tonight. And jammy gets.
John always watches the jammy gets on a Sunday.
Yeah.
I think my whole family seem to be watching them, actually. Yeah. We watch them together. I'm not...
It's really
I like them, but not
They're
like...
awesome. So if you don't know what jammy gets are, it's basically he's a couple from England who converted a Land Rover into like a camper van way back last year. There's videos on that, and then they sold everything and travelling around the world for 4 years. They're in Africa at the moment, and they just driving around. They've got a video come out every week on Sunday, and I didn't realise everyone watched it in your family.
Yeah.
So it's our sort of like our thing on Sunday. We have a Sunday roast. Hopefully all editing and YouTube and that's all done by then. Hopefully. And we chill out with a what cake after dinner and what's that.
And then if I've got any energy, I sometimes do a diamond painting.
Yeah.
But that depends on whether I can be bothered.
Well, we'll see how we get on. We've only got one video to do, left to do. And
shorts,
emails.
and emails, and TikToks.
And a Zoom. Yes, we've got a lot to do for a couple of hours.
John's still eating Louis' nose prints.
It's a weepy thing. He loves to stand up there and look out the window.
That makes me really sad. I love seeing his little nose prints there. You can see out of it better now, though.
Yeah, I know. It won't last so long.
Uploading video number 1. I now need to take all the footage off of you and pop it onto the computer. Oh, I wish that was a thing.
What? That would be good.
Wouldn't it?
That would be good.
We
I should
need
some more of
that.
this next week.
John, stop spraying on my... Nobody can see it's spraying the polish. But anyway, I need to and then put you back in so we can continue the vlog. But I need the footage from yesterday when we went to Morton and Marsh, and it was lovely. But that vlog is tomorrow for you.
Yes, we need to do that. Yes, absolutely. I wonder what's happening with Owen's mic there.
I know. Yeah. I feel like it's something simple. It must be because I have used the mic on my phone.
Yeah, and that's where it worked for him.
Yeah, and I was all by myself when I did it. It does come with an adapter that he has lost, though.
Yeah, so Owen, I don't know if you know Owen, Emma's brother, also got a YouTube channel, so go check that out. We'll leave it somewhere. So we bought him the little mics, what we got.
DJI mic minis.
Yeah, they're fantastic. Love them. But he lost, what was it, adapter?
Yeah, there's like a bit that you can plug in your phone.
Yeah, up some mountain somewhere. We went up there. So, Emma said that you'd done it one day when I was at work with your phone because you took the camera, and it worked great, but he's having problems with it. So, Emma will get on
I'm
the case
sure
with
it
that.
is an easy fix.
Yeah.
Because I managed to do it myself.
Yeah.
When we were... I went to the farm. So I managed to do it myself. So and that was in the car in like a few minutes.
Yeah, but apparently it's not...
His phone is still picking up the audio, not the mic.
What's weird.
Yeah, but I'm sure that's easy to figure out at some point. Yeah. But I have to get everything else done first.
Yeah.
So, so...
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
It's not working.
Right, that's a bit of tidying up done. Done the normal stuff, everyday stuff. Emma's on a second video. That's really good actually. It's a bakery one. That's a lot more clips than I thought we took. Got a coffee. I think I got an hour and a half before I got a Zoom. So I'm going to try to help Emma with some shorts. But Emma's normally pretty good at that because she knows what's trending and I don't. So this could be interesting. So we're going to finish this one, have a coffee, do that, and then see where we are in a minute.
I'm picking the music. Sorry. I'm picking the music. I've got my headphones on now because John's about to go on Zoom. And these ones are, John got me for Christmas.
Yeah.
I don't know what brand they are actually, but I actually really love them. And they were supposed to be for me to take to work, but they're so cute, I don't want to ruin them. So I just use them at home now. But the sound, what's it called?
Sound noise cancelling.
I just can't hear anyone when I've got them on, which is great. And I normally prefer a headphone with a wire for like travel and stuff. Oh, it's got a button. What's the button do? But yeah, I really love these.
Christmas.
Yeah, and I use them. Dinner's on.
It is. It's smelling nice. Yeah.
Editing's done. I've done. It's exporting. I need to do the thumbnail and all of that jazz still.
Yep.
And I need to turn the shorts into TikToks and Reels, and then maybe get some more done for the rest of the week. But we'll see how we go with that.
Absolutely. We've got an hour or so before dinner's done, so I'm going to take Louis out now, just for his final walk.
He's so tired.
He is, but I'll take the first final walk of the night before we can settle in and chill out and watch some YouTube tonight. Watch the Jammy Gits and some other YouTube probably tonight. But yeah, so I'll take him out now, dinner, and then we can chill out.
Yeah.
Because I think we put him pretty much there, what we wanted to do. I think what we haven't done is a couple of shorts. I think that's the only thing we haven't done in it, I think.
I mean, there's always more I could do,
Yeah,
so
of course.
I don't know. But we've got the videos done, and that's what's important.
What's the main bit? Yeah, absolutely. What's good?
Yes. And Louis in a bit of a cheeky boy mood, I think, so maybe if you can get the cheeky out of him on his walk, that'd be
Maybe.
good.
Well, he's fast asleep now, so let's wake him up. Right, yeah, take him out.
I need to know why I need, when you need something done by a certain time, that something then decides to take forever. So I'm just waiting for the video to export. And the one earlier exported really quickly. And so I thought, oh, this one's shorter. This video's shorter than the one before. No. It's taking its time. And that's fine, because the video is edited and that's the main thing. But it's only halfway exported.
How's it taking so long?
I don't know. I swear it just makes it up. There's no rhyme or reason. Okay, dinner was lovely.
It was. Yeah.
I've baked rock cakes. They're ready to go in the oven. We probably should do that before they get melty.
Absolutely. Yes.
John is in charge of washing the bowl
Yeah, that's my job.
because he eats the goo out of it. Which is lucky, really, because I don't like that bit.
Best part. Yeah, we take some to work, have some tonight.
Yeah.
We'll have one or two, watch some Jammy Gits.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been a nice couple of hours. Had tea, chilled out for a bit. But yeah, been a kind of productive day, I think.
Yeah, we got everything we wanted done.
Yeah.
I just wish there was more time to do more things.
Absolutely, we need the Friday off.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah, but let me know in the comments below, do you relax or do you reset for the work week? What do you do on a Sunday that makes you feel productive or whatever?
Absolutely, I feel like we got it right. We had a bit of relaxing and we got a lot done as well. So yeah, that's our Sunday really, a bit of both. But yeah, we could definitely do a bit more time.
Yeah.
Friday off would be good.
Yeah, every week.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification.
Yep.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Guys, watch, guys. Take care. Bye.